What's going on, you guys? My name is Daniel and welcome back. We're going to be editing this EOS R photo that I took with a 17 to 40 millimeter at f4. Pretty much the lens was almost entirely on the sidewalk to take this picture, and let's get into it. So first off, let's flip it over so that it has that, makes you think factor to it, and we'll crop it for Instagram, pull it in some, and probably call it good about right there. I want to make sure that this stays in so your eye has something to follow down into it as well. Okay, from there we're going to boost the exposure ever so slightly while dropping highlights so those clouds pop a little bit more. Then we're going to raise the shadows so that you can really see down that entire tunnel. Gonna add a little bit of blue to it, make it a little bit warmer. Probably turn the vibrance down a little bit while boosting. Nope, pulling both these down. And from there, we're going to add a lot of clarity because I enjoy that. And actually, it doesn't feel completely level the way I'd like my eyes to follow it. I think that's better. Then we're gonna come in here, a little bit of noise reduction, a little bit of sharpening, and add to green. How much green do we want in there? Right there, we're gonna add that much green. Now we're gonna come through and we're gonna add different colors to all of these lights that come through there. And that's what's really going to add the contrast between the puddle and real life, is the two different colors gonna be popping out of there. So let's go with orange on top. All right, orange right there. And exposure, put that right there. Yep, just like that. So I'm gonna actually stretch these out so it looks like they're coming through these little, from where the concrete is poured, they have little subsections of them. Duplicate, so it looks like it's stretching throughout them. Just a little bit there, and I'll actually decrease the exposure on this one just so they pop out from one another since they're getting so close. We'll just do one for two of those. Okay, and then the other side. Right there, a little bit smaller. Pull this in. And one more. These, so there's a little bit of separation. Boom, there we go. The top part is done. Over, I think I might have to go back through and turn down the exposure right there on each one of these. There. Now that has that nice little glow through there, and we're gonna make this bottom side blue. Pull that little highlight of glow out of there. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I have an entire playlist right there, and you can go check that out. And there's a couple others bringing back highlights and bringing back underexposed photos. Thank you for watching. My name is Daniel. Take care.